artist. How are you? Myself Aman, and in this video, uh, I would like to tell you first that I am making this video only to learn English through the YouTube. So that's why I am here and I am making this video. So if you are finding any type of the pronunciation mistake, any type of the grammatical mistakes, so you should ignore, you should avoid, because this is not any type of teaching purpose. I am making this video only for learning purpose. So if you want to also learn English, if you are not finding any type of good environment in your area wherever you are living, so you can try to apply this method. You can try to apply this idea to learn English. I think if you will do like this, of course you will learn more, because we are living that type of place where people speak their native language. So it becomes very difficult task for all of us to learn English, to learn some other language. So if you want to learn the other language, then you need to create some environment of that language, some external and some internal environment of that language, then you can speak, because our mind, our thinking is totally in our native language. So if you want to convert that thought, convert that mind in a other language, whatever you want to learn, so you need to create a good environment, you need to indulge with language, you need to infatuate towards that language, then you can learn easily. So that's why I try to because I am living that type of place where no one, not most of the person is speaking English. So that's why I thought that we have to learn English through the YouTube, and that's why I am making this video. And today I am going to talk about a very good topic, and the topic is that how can we reduce the pollution. Of course, pollution is very big issue of our environment, our earth. If our surrounding, if we will because if you want to live a good life, if you want to live a healthy life, if you want to live a wealthy life, of course you need to live a very good place where you can feel pure, where you can feel peace, where you can feel calm. For that we have to need apply some rules to reduce the pollution, to eliminate the pollution, by which we can make our life easily. So that's why, so I am going to talk about some important tips, some important rules, some important strategies by which we can reduce the amount of pollution. Of course we cannot finish the pollution, we can only reduce the pollution, because if anyone company want to grow more, of course we need different type of factories, we need different type of companies, we need different type of thing in our area, of then we can grow. So for that we need to establish different type of company. Of course when we will establish that company, of course they will reduce pollution, they will spread pollution, they will yield pollution, they will create pollution. So if we want to reduce the pollution, then we need to follow some rules, some techniques by which we can reduce the pollution. Of course we cannot finish the pollution, but we can reduce the pollution, of course and when we will reduce the pollution, of course we will feel very happy, very happiness in our day and in our life, because happiness come from not only money, happiness come from our surrounding. Before in the ancient India, so many sects, so many priests were living in the forest, and they were living very happily life, you can say. So they were very happy, because the surrounding of that people, the environment of that people was very nice, very calm, very pure peace, very pure, and all the serenity is located in his surrounding. So that's why they were feeling very happy, and they were living very happy life in the forest. So of course we can also live a good life by the help of reducing the pollution, by uh, create good environment in our surrounding. For that I am going to give you some rules, some suggestion by which we can reduce the pollution, we can reduce the amount of pollution. And the first tip of my list is, we need to aware about the pollution of vehicle. Because if you are talking about the India, then day by day there are so many vehicles are running on the road, and they spread too much carbon dioxide, too much amount of uh, toxic gas. That gas can poisonous gas. That gas can damage our health. That gas can damage our part of body because we are taking every time of oxygen from outside. If our oxygen is not good, if our oxygen is not pure, if the quality of our oxygen is impure, of course we will not feel happy. We will feel some type of disease. We will feel some type of disturbance in our life. So we need to care about that. How can we reduce the pollution? By the help of reducing the number of vehicles. Of course we need, if we have to go somewhere, we need vehicles. Of course, I am not saying you should not use the vehicles, but wherever you need, then you use. Otherwise you should not use any type of car, any type of the bike, any type of the convenience. You should go by the help of whatever you can make, whatever you can make to reduce the pollution. Suppose that you have to go for office, and the if the distance of your office from your house is 2 kilometers, and if you are going to every day through the car, so I would like to tell you, of course you will show to everyone that I have car, but it will not help you anyway, because when you will go to your office every day by the car, and when you will reach the office, you will sit all the day in a one room, and you will not do any type of exercise. How can you will feel healthy life in your life? It will be very difficult task for all of us. So I would like to tell you, you will feel that I think I would like to tell you that you should use the that type of the vehicles which can which cannot spread the pollution. So if we like that, if your office is 2 kilometers far away from your house, then you can use the cycle. If you are thinking that people who is living in my surrounding, they will think very negative for me, don't worry about that. If you will concern about the people, you cannot live a healthy life. You should tell to yourself that if we have to healthy life, then we have to focus on our physical health. If our physical health is good, of course we will show everything to everyone. Suppose that if you are fat, if you have too much fat, if you are not able to walk more, if you are not able to run more, you can show so many things to other, but you will not feel happy in your life. So don't show to the society that I have car, I am going there every time by the help of car, because when you will show to everyone like this, you cannot feel happy. So try to use your car, try to run, drive your car at that type of place where you need. Don't support that. And one thing is, we are living in we are living in that type of city where we are sending to our children to the school, where we are walking to every day. Suppose that if you are driving car whole day without any type of reason, without any type of work, if you, so of course that thing will give you, can give you happiness, but that thing cannot give you the happiness to your children, to your sister and brothers. Because if you will send to your children to school, and if you that school is situated in a, suppose that in a middle city, and if the environment of the surrounding environment of the school is not good, there is no matter what is the teacher, what type of teacher, what type of the faculty available in the school. The matter think what is the environment of that school, what is the environment of the surrounding. Because no matter how much we are modern, we are we have joined with nature. No matter how much we are modern, we have joined with nature, and we cannot go away from the nature. Whatever modality come in our life, we cannot go away from the nature. We will always join the nature. So we should follow some rules of nature by which we can see our body with good way, with a healthy way, and by which we create good opportunity in our life, and we can get success in every sector of life. So you should use the that type of convenience that spread less pollution in compare to the high type of pollution. So many, so many cars. You will go when you will go to market, then you can buy so many cars who spread too much pollution. What is the need of that car that spread too much pollution? You are buying that car, you are purchasing that car for your own happiness. It is not we are not animals that we are living for own benefit. We are human beings. We live for the people, we live for the society, we live for our neighbors, we live for to make serenity in our society, we live for the people. We are not living for own. If you are living for own life, it is not more better than the dog life, donkey life, because so many animals of this universe are living for own. If you are talking about the bird, then bird also go from our house to for the searching of food, and they come back uh, to his house their house with the food. So bird is also living, animals are also living, but we are not animals. We are living for the people, we are not living for own beneficial. We are living for beneficial of other. If we can share our problem to other, if we can care the society, of course then we can say we are living a happy life, we are living a human life. So I would like to tell you, if you and when you will use the different type of the vehicles, when you use when you use the different type of that physical convenience like the cycle and other, then of course you will feel very healthy life. You will far away always. You will be far away always different type of disease. So you need to focus about that. How can we make our life safe? How can we run our life in good way? How can we save our life from the different type of disease? So this is the good way of living a life. So I would like to tell you only one thing, that is whatever I told you, you need to follow that rule in your life, and by which you will see very happy life. And the second thing in my list is we can reduce the pollution. Of course we can reduce by the reducing of different type of unnecessary material which is making our environment very pollute, very dirt. We can reduce the use of that type of material. Suppose that you are using a polythene, if you are going to market to buy some necessary things, and if you can pack your all the things in one polythene, and I know so many person who is going to the market for the purchasing some different type of things, some different type of stuff, and after coming I say that in his hand there are so many polythene. What does it mean? It means he can pack his all the goods only one polythene, but he is taking so many polythene because because they have so many goods. That's why they have also so many polythene, but they can take that things only one polythene. Still they are using different so many polythene. So we can aware about this, we should aware about this, that we should use very very fixed amount of the material which is not decomposing, which we cannot decompose. So I mean so many material. If you are talking about the polythene cannot be convert from one form to another form. No matter how much long is it is fall away, fall on the ground. So we should aware that the material which cannot recycle with easy way, we should use that material very less amount, and then we can see very good good surrounding in ourselves. And the second thing is we should try to we should aware every time that we will not make any type of dirt in our environment. We will not make any type of the pollution in our environment. Awareness is very first point to do anything. If we have vision to reduce the pollution from our society, then the awareness play very important role in this vision. If you are aware, because a aware people is not going to follow one rule. A aware purush does not go to a aware man. It does not go to follow only one rule. They follow every rule. They think every time, uh, what am I doing, what is my aim, what is my goal, what is my destination, what we have to do, how can we have to do this. They are asking to yourself every time. So you should aware about yourself, about society. And when you start to concerning this about the society, of course you will get a result in your life, that your life is going to be happy. You are happy in your life because you are thinking about the other. The man who is thinking about the other, they of course go, if you are thinking about the other, then the bliss of the other people will come in your heart, in your I mean, it will run with you always. So try to do this type of things. And we should, and the other thing is, according to me, how can we reduce the pollution? The next thing is, we can educate to our children. If you are going to a school, then I know so many schools. If you are going to school, and there is no matter in which class do you study, if you are studying any class, I would like to tell you that there, you study math, you study science, you study different type of subject, but you don't study a subject where you can get a little knowledge about the environment. So we need to add some type of syllabus who can give us a lot of knowledge about this field. If we can get this knowledge, that type of knowledge, of course we will apply that knowledge in our life, in our routine. So when we will apply that knowledge in our routine, when we will apply that knowledge in our daily life, of course we will see very good result, we will see very positive result. So for the adding good subject, environmental subject in our education, in our matric level education, in our intermediate level education, of course we can give more knowledge about the environment to our student. So by the help of this, we will see very good result in our life. And the next thing is that is, suppose that you are going to school, then you will find so many students in the school. He has not they have not good knowledge about the health. How can they make our good health? How can they make our good environment? They have only knowledge about the math, science, chemistry, which is not used in his daily life. Nobody will ask you the question of the limit, integration, differentiation, whatever you have read through the year. Nobody will ask you when you will go to market. Nobody will ask you when you will go to the vegetables man. Then if you are saying that like this, I have knowledge about how I know all the formula of the integration. I know all the formula of the differentiation. I can solve any question of the integration. I can solve any question of the differentiation. Give me 1 kilo potato. He will never give you any one potato. I am not talking about the 1 kilo. He will not never give you one potato because it will not use in your life. The thing which will use in your life, we should try to read that type of thing, and we should try to take that type of thing from our life. Then we can see good result. We will see positive result. So by the adding of different type of the subject which is relating to our which are relating to our environment, which can give us more knowledge about his environment, then we can see very effective result. And I am not saying it is very big thing. Of course, whatever you are teaching in your class, you should teach one more subject about the environment, because we are teaching every time in our life with the environment. and we have not a little bit knowledge about the environment, how can we survive in upon this earth under the sun? We have only knowledge about the Hindi, English and different type of the other subject. I am not saying that type of subject is wrong, I am only saying that type of subject is better, but we have to make more better. So try to understand me. You should try to understand what I am trying to say. You need to understand me, because I am saying that it is not, I am not saying that you should not study different type of subject. I am only saying we should add some subject about the environment, about the health in our sub syllabus, which can give us more knowledge about how can we clean our life, how can we clean our surrounding, how can we make our good, how can we create good environment in our area. And we should give the practical to the student, that you should go to everyone people house and you should tell about the environment, how you should tell about them, that how can we reduce the pollution. You should you should spread the awareness in our society, because student and youth have the very big power to do anything. If prime minister is saying that I am starting a campaign by which we will try to reduce the pollution, I would like to tell you one line, that if youth of our country don't want to do anything, no matter who is deciding to do prime minister, president, no matter who is deciding, if our youth will not encourage to do, we will not do. We cannot do, of course, if because youth of our country is very big power, and they have a lot of energy. If we can utilize that energy to make good thing, of course we can go, make good contribution to double in the development of India. We can make good contribution to in the development of India, if we can aware, if we can spread the awareness in the people. So, and yeah, and I think it's it is more, and it has been more. So I will see you in the next video. And what about is your opinion? How can we reduce the pollution? There are so many type of pollution, you know, water pollution, air pollution, sound pollution, and of course we are here, then we can reduce the every type of pollution, and we can feel very happily in our life. So I will see you in the next video, and this, I think this is enough for today. So I will see you in the next video.